The following is a brief demonstration of Engage.Social's Smart Share product, a tool being used by They See Blue, so that you can catch the blue wave by reading the latest news stories and sharing important content on social media related to the November elections. First, find an article that you like and want to share from either the They See Blue website or the They See Blue email newsletter. Click on the share link and the following pop-up will appear. Sign in using any social media network. You will have the opportunity to sign in via Facebook and Twitter. Once you are signed in, either write your own comment or click on Suggest. Check the boxes of the platforms you want to share your post to, and then click Share. On Twitter, your post will automatically be made, but on Facebook, you need to do one additional step. Your comment from the previous screen has been copied to your clipboard. Paste your comment and then click Post to Facebook. After sharing your article on your selected social media networks, you'll be directed to a Trending Articles tab. This tab takes a crowdsource approach and shows articles that have been popular with other widget users and have garnered the most engagement on social media. This Trending tab concept encourages you to read and share multiple articles in one sitting. Finally, click on the Settings icon and add your email to the Profile tab, so you can be a part of our newsletter and continue to share more content in order to let your friends know why they should be voting for Biden and Harris in November. We appreciate you catching the blue wave and continuing to support They See Blue. Happy sharing!